Hey you guys, it's Kathy. I am not in the Chalk Monster Boutique tonight, as you can see. My husband's in the background. If you guys saw me last night, I'm gonna get this into my VIP group too. If you guys saw me last night, then you know, or you may remember, that I was going to get my hair done. I had an appointment late. Put this in here, okay, and then I can focus. All right, so if you saw me last night, you know that I had a hair appointment tonight at 7. I was at work all day long, left the house at like 6:30 this morning, went to get my hair done, and you guys, so it definitely looks much better, right? You can't see my gray roots anymore, but I didn't realize that my hair salon doesn't finish it, like they don't blow it dry and straighten it and all that. So it's still a little frizzy and I'm gonna need to work on styling it myself. But I was so looking forward to going and coming home with straight, smooth, glossy hair. But that is not the case. Let's see, who do we have in the house tonight? And then I'm gonna tell you the real reason I popped on, because there is some information I want to share with you guys. Okay, so real reason is there are so many items that are coming. There are a bunch of items that came back in stock today, like the Freedom Transfer and When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade, Freshen Up, Good Old Days. There's a bunch of transfers that came back in stock today, but there's also a bunch of items that went on the retired list, or they are low in stock. So you guys check my page, but also check my Chalk site. It's www.chalkcouture.com/chalkmonsterboutique. Okay, if you need the website, message me. I can send you the link, but it's www.chalkcouture.com/chalkmonsterboutique. So if there's something you want, check in there, check the website and get it now. Message me or order it, especially if it's in that last chance section, okay, because that means it's retired. And if you're a Club Couture member, you get those last chance items at 50% off the month of May. So make sure you grab those, because like I said, and if you see something on the website that says out of stock, I ordered a bunch of items today and a couple days ago, so I may have it, okay? So if there's something you want, check with me, check online, especially if it's out of stock, check with me. Yeah, so if you want to see, I'm posting the list on my page, the items that just came back in today, and then items that are about to go out of stock, okay? So check it out, let me know if I can help you, and we're getting ready to go into the Memorial Day weekend. So excited, you guys. So excited. I'm so ready for Memorial Day weekend. Okay. Tomorrow is Friday night, and I will be back tomorrow night to chalk with you guys. All right. Have a great evening and come back and join me tomorrow night. All right. See you guys. Bye.